Most people believe that wrinkles, fatigue, and sleep problems after 30 are the norm. But what if it's not? Recent research proves that the reason is not age, but what we eat every day. And yes, it means that aging is not a fate, but a choice. Today, I will show you simple products that work stronger than any expensive creams and pills. I'm Dr. Mitchell. All my life, I've been studying how nutrition and habits affect our health and aging. And every time, I become convinced of one thing. Simple food can work stronger than any expensive supplements and treatments. Today, I will show you how this knowledge can be applied right in your kitchen. Problem. Every day, I see the same thing. People spend hundreds and thousands of dollars on expensive creams, supplements, and powders, hoping to stop aging or regain lost strength. But almost no one thinks about the fact that the main cause of problems is not age, wrinkles, or natural aging. It's much deeper than that. Spikes in blood sugar, chronic inflammation, poor absorption of nutrients, they secretly accelerate skin aging, deprive energy, and disrupt sleep. Many people consider fatigue, sagging skin, or restless sleep to be the norm because they see it around them. But this is a myth. What seems inevitable to us is actually often related to poor nutrition and habits that we repeat every day. And most importantly, these problems can be solved. With the help of simple foods and the right approach to nutrition, we can slow down aging, strengthen our health, and regain the energy we have lost. But there is good news. Aging and fatigue are not a verdict. All you need is the right foods and habits that work from the inside out. Simple food can be a powerful medicine. It protects collagen, reduces inflammation, stabilizes blood sugar, and improves sleep.
Today, I'm going to show you 3 traditional breakfasts that combine 7 key ingredients with proven health benefits. These products are easy to find, they're accessible to everyone, and work together to create synergy. One protects, the other restores, the third maintains energy and mental clarity. No expensive additives or creams, just the proven power of regular food. Let's start with black rice, an amazing ingredient that has been appreciated for centuries for its nutritional properties. Its dark purple color is not just beautiful, it contains anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect cells, including skin cells, from oxidative stress. For the skin, this means fewer wrinkles, a firmer texture, and a natural glow. But the benefits of black rice are not limited only to appearance. Anthocyanins support the health of the cardiovascular system, reduce inflammation, and help stabilize blood sugar levels, which is critical for slowing the aging process. Black rice contains more fiber than white rice, so it is digested slowly without causing sudden spikes in glucose, which can damage collagen and accelerate skin aging. With proper preparation, soaking, and slow cooking, it becomes easy to digest and retains its nutrients as much as possible. Including black rice in your morning porridge is not just a delicious breakfast, it is a shield for your body and skin every day. Sweet potato. Now let's talk about sweet potato. This bright orange root vegetable is rich in vitamins A and C, which are directly involved in the synthesis of collagen. Collagen is responsible for skin firmness, elasticity, and connective tissue health, which is why sweet potatoes help skin stay young and radiant. In addition, the fiber in sweet potatoes slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar, which can accelerate aging and damage collagen. Delicious and satisfying, sweet potatoes are easy to include in your morning porridge or just bake. It not only supports skin health, but also strengthens the immune system, improves digestion, and provides stable energy for the whole day.
The next pair are red dates and Chinese yams. Red dates are known as a natural source of vitamin C and flavonoids, which support collagen synthesis and protect the skin from oxidative stress. They also have a mild calming effect, helping the nervous system to relax, which improves sleep. Namely, during sleep, the skin is restored and collagen is renewed. Chinese yam, although it looks modest, contains mucus substances and compounds that support digestion and help the body absorb nutrients as efficiently as possible. This means that all the beneficial substances from dates and other ingredients actually reach the skin and body cells. When red dates and Chinese yams are cooked together in porridge, they create a synergy. One nourishes and soothes, the other improves digestion and reduces inflammation. It is the perfect duo for health, energy, and radiant skin, which is easy to incorporate into your daily diet.
The next ingredient is common but powerful: peanuts. Many people think of it simply as a snack, but in fact, it is a real source of protein and vitamin E, which is known for its antioxidant properties. Vitamin E protects skin cells from oxidative stress, prevents dryness, and helps maintain collagen elasticity. And protein from peanuts is used by the body to repair tissues, which is especially important for aging skin and maintaining muscle mass. In addition, peanuts contain healthy fats that support the health of the heart and blood vessels, as well as make the skin soft and supple from the inside. It combines perfectly with other porridge ingredients, creating a nutritious and balanced breakfast. Even a small handful of peanuts every day can have a tangible effect on energy, skin health, and overall well-being. Including peanuts in porridge is an easy and affordable way to enhance the benefits of each meal and keep your body and skin toned. Now let's look at the whole picture. Each ingredient is useful in itself, but the real power is shown when they are combined in one porridge. Black rice protects collagen. Sweet potatoes restore it. Dates and Chinese yams improve digestion and support sleep. And peanuts nourish and protect the skin from the inside. Even a small pinch of brown sugar helps to make the taste mild without destroying the blood sugar balance. When these products are cooked together, their effects are enhanced by each other. This is the synergy. One nourishes, the other protects, the third improves digestion, and the fourth supports energy and mental clarity. This approach not only preserves the skin, but also improves overall well-being, stabilizes energy, and helps you feel refreshed every day. That is why traditions that have been tested for centuries are now being confirmed by modern science. A simple combination of products can work better than any expensive supplement.
Let's look at how it all works in practice. Black rice, sweet potatoes, dates, Chinese yams, and peanuts, together they create a full-fledged breakfast that affects the body in a complex way. First, the skin gets everything it needs to maintain collagen. It becomes firmer, smoother, and more radiant. Secondly, fiber and complex carbohydrates stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing spikes that damage collagen and cause fatigue. The third benefit is improved digestion. Chinese yams and dates support intestinal function, allowing the body to maximize the absorption of all useful substances. The fourth is energy and mental clarity. Protein and healthy fats from peanuts provide stable energy for the whole day, while natural sugars and vitamins support concentration and mood. And finally, sleep. These products help the nervous system to relax, promote deep recovery at night when collagen is actively renewed. A simple meal every day can change not only the body, but also the quality of life.
Stay healthy, become smarter.